Greetings, friends of the cosmos. Ever wondered if there's more to space than what we've been told? In the vast expanse of the unknown, our curiosity often gives birth to intriguing narratives and alternative theories. We're talking about space conspiracy theories, a fascinating blend of skepticism, imagination, and our intrinsic desire to question the accepted truths. These theories, from the whispered rumors of extraterrestrial life to the grand debates on the authenticity of moon landings, have seeped into our popular culture, challenging our perception of the cosmos. In our journey today, we'll venture through time, dissecting these theories from their earliest inception to the most recent controversies. We'll dive into the moon landing hoax, sail across the flat Earth theory, explore the mysterious alien cover-ups, and finally, tread on the Mars rover conspiracy. If you're intrigued, don't forget to hit subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's dive into the unknown together. Our journey begins in 1969 with one of the most controversial events in history, the moon landing. Picture this. It's the height of the Cold War, and the United States is in a fierce space race with the Soviet Union. Suddenly, they announce a monumental achievement, landing a man on the moon. The world watches in awe as Neil Armstrong takes his first steps on the lunar surface, declaring it a giant leap for mankind. But was it all a meticulously crafted charade? This is the heart of the moon landing hoax theory. The proponents of this theory argue that the US government staged the moon landing in a television studio to claim victory in the space race. They point to various anomalies in the Apollo footage and photographs as evidence. Let's delve into some of these claims. First, there's the case of the waving flag. In the vacuum of space, there's no wind to cause a flag to flutter. Yet in the Apollo footage, the American flag appears to ripple in the non-existent lunar breeze. Skeptics argue this is evidence of a hidden fan or air conditioning in the alleged studio. Next, the absence of stars in the lunar photographs raises eyebrows. With no atmosphere on the moon to scatter light, stars should be clearly visible, yet they're conspicuously missing from the Apollo images. Critics claim this is due to the limitations of the studio's backdrop. However, these points have been refuted by experts. The flag's apparent movement was due to the twisting motion from when it was planted, and the absence of stars is a result of the camera's exposure settings. Despite the debunking, these arguments continue to fuel the moon landing hoax theory, showing us the enduring power of skepticism. As we journey further into the cosmos, these debates remind us of the importance of questioning, researching, and seeking truth. After all, space exploration is a testament to our collective curiosity and desire to understand the vast universe around us. The moon landing hoax theory, while debunked by experts, continues to stir up debates to this day. Fast forward to the 21st century, we encounter a theory that seems to defy centuries of scientific discovery: the flat Earth theory. This isn't a new concept. In fact, it was the dominant belief until around the 3rd century BC when the spherical Earth theory started gaining traction, but in modern times the resurgence of this theory is quite intriguing. So, what exactly is the flat Earth theory? The proponents of this theory advocate that the Earth is not a sphere as we've been taught, but rather a flat disk. This disk, they claim, is surrounded by a massive ice wall that keeps the oceans from spilling off the edges. The North Pole lies at the center of this disk, with the continents spread out around it. The flat Earth theory also disputes the concept of gravity. Flat Earthers argue that objects don't fall to the ground because they're pulled by gravity, but rather because the disk of Earth is constantly accelerating upwards, propelled by a mysterious force they refer to as dark energy. Moreover, they dismiss the images of our planet from space, labeling them as elaborate hoaxes by space agencies worldwide. According to them, space exploration is a grand deception, and the concept of a spherical Earth is a part of a vast, intricate conspiracy. But what about the evidence countering this theory? The round shadow Earth casts on the moon during a lunar eclipse, the curvature of the horizon visible from high altitudes, the different constellations visible from different latitudes, and of course, the images and data from space missions, all strongly affirm the Earth's spherical shape. Yet the flat Earth theory continues to attract followers. It's a testament to the power of belief and the allure of conspiracy theories, even in the face of irrefutable scientific evidence. Skepticism and questioning are indeed healthy for scientific progress, but they should be based on evidence and logical reasoning. Despite overwhelming scientific evidence to the contrary, the flat Earth theory has gained a surprising number of followers. Now let's venture into the realm of extraterrestrial life and the conspiracy theories that surround it. We're all familiar with the concept of aliens, green beings with bulbous heads and large probing eyes. They've been a staple of pop culture for decades. But what if these otherworldly visitors are more than just fodder for science fiction? What if they've already made contact, and the truth is being kept from us? Let's start with the Roswell incident. In the summer of 1947, a mysterious object crashed in the desert near Roswell, New Mexico. The military initially claimed it was a flying disc, but quickly retracted the statement, asserting it was merely a weather balloon. But was it? Many believe that the wreckage was of alien origin and that the government engaged in a cover-up to hide the evidence. Then, there's Area 51. This top-secret military base in Nevada is shrouded in mystery. It's heavily guarded and off-limits to the public. For years, rumors have swirled about the base being a hub for extraterrestrial research and even housing alien technology. Some even suggest it's where the Roswell debris was taken. Is there any truth to these theories? Well, it's hard to say. On one hand, it's easy to dismiss them as fanciful tales, spun by those with overactive imaginations. On the other hand, the universe is vast. With billions upon billions of galaxies, each teeming with potentially habitable planets, it seems almost arrogant to assume we're alone. And then there's the fact that these theories persist. Despite countless denials and debunkings, people continue to question, to search, to believe. It's a testament to our enduring curiosity and our yearning to know what lies beyond our own planet. While the search for extraterrestrial life continues, these theories remind us of our endless fascination with the unknown. Last but not least, let's explore the red planet and the conspiracy theory that surrounds the Mars rover. The Mars rover, a robotic vehicle exploring the surface of Mars since 2012, has been a subject of intrigue and skepticism for some. The conspiracy theory we're discussing today suggests that the Mars rover is not actually on Mars but somewhere here on Earth. Why, you may ask? The theory stems from the photographs sent back by the rover, which some believe contain images of Earth-like creatures and objects. This is where the plot thickens. Critics of the Mars rover mission point to specific images that supposedly show objects like a squirrel, a lizard, and even a human finger. Some argue these are proof that the rover isn't on Mars but shooting its footage in some remote desert on Earth. But let's dig a bit deeper. NASA, of course, refutes these claims. They argue that the creatures spotted in the rover's photos are just rocks, shaped and colored in ways that may trick the eye, a phenomenon known as pareidolia. This is the same psychological trick that makes us see faces in clouds or the man in the moon. The human finger, they say, is a rock formation, and the squirrel is a piece of Mars landscape caught in an unusual light. The controversy, however, doesn't stop there. A key part of the conspiracy theory also questions the rover's photographs of the Martian sky. Critics argue that the sky appears too blue, similar to Earth's sky, rather than the pinkish hue we associate with Mars. NASA counters this by explaining the color variations are due to the time of day the photos were taken, and the angle of the sun. The Mars rover conspiracy, though largely discredited, continues to spark curiosity and intrigue. Whether you believe in these theories or not, they certainly make for a fascinating exploration into the world of space exploration and the mysteries that surround it. We've journeyed through some of the most popular space conspiracy theories, from the moon landing hoax to the Mars rover mystery. We've peeled back the layers of the moon landing controversy, examined the flat Earth theory, dug into the alien cover-up, and explored the enigma surrounding the Mars rover. Each of these theories, while intriguing, can often be debunked with scientific evidence and logic. Yet, their persistence in our collective consciousness highlights the human fascination with the unknown and our innate curiosity. This is where the importance of critical thinking comes in. It's essential to question what we're told, to seek out evidence, and to challenge our own preconceptions. In the vast expanse of space, there are countless mysteries yet to be unraveled, secrets yet to be unearthed. But it's critical to approach these with a discerning mind, guided by curiosity and scientific inquiry. Remember, the universe is full of mysteries waiting to be discovered. Keep questioning, keep exploring, and as always, keep looking up.